Okay there friends, you already see the full all open box and installation of the previous ceiling fan. This is fan number 2, actually number 3, with number 4 still to be installed. The plan is to do all 3 today, since I have class tomorrow. So, here we go. That little dot right there is where the pre-wired ceiling fan will be hung. So I will not go through all the steps with you, since I've went through the step with the other one, from taking down the box to the full assembly and installation. So my friends, that's how I roll. Thank you for watching. So my friends, all 3 fans are now installed. This is spare bedroom number 1, spare bedroom number 2, including the primary bedroom. 3 fans, all in a day's work.